Have you had the Fitbit Sense 2 tested yet? It has incredible health features, but we expected huge updates as an upgrade to the previous Sense watch. Unfortunately, that's not the case. Some of the features of the previous Sense model are even absent in Sense 2. Here is a Fitbit Sense 2 full review, what you didn't expect. Let's start. Design. Let's begin with the design and some Fitbit Sense 2 details. It comes with the 40.5mm case with a dimension of 40.5 x 40.5 x 12.3mm, and straps that can fit wrist ranging from 129mm to 209mm. However, FitSense replaced the haptic touch button with the previous Fitbit Sense model with the new physical touch button that can be used to turn on the device's screen, activate the Alexa feature, etc. The display comes with a new design. Fitbit replaces the stainless steel ring around the device's edge with the new transparent bezel sensor, making the machine about 9% thinner than the original Sense and about 27% lighter, weighing only 24 grams. Speaking of sensors, the device has a body response sensor that keeps track of user stress management records due to a continuous electrodermal activity (EDA) tracking system. We will soon go deep into that. Journey with us. The $299.95 watch maintains the same AMOLED display touchscreen. Fitbit OS. The Fitbit Sense 2 is powered by Fitbit's own latest operating system, the Fitbit OS, which comes with a new user interface different from the original Sense. For example, now you can swipe down to view your quick settings and swipe up for notifications, while swiping left or right takes you through a list of your saved Fitbit Sense data and widgets such as sleep data, heart rate stats, the weather updates, etc. Generally, the new operating system has a smooth feel, but on the other hand, it takes quite some time for applications to respond. For instance, it will take the Alexa integration feature a couple of seconds to respond to questions.
A top-rated choice for Fitbit on Amazon is Fitbit Charge 5 Advanced Fitness and Health Tracker with built-in GPS.
Talking about apps, you will miss some of your favorite apps on the new Fitbit Sense 2. If you enjoy listening to music when going for a run, for instance, I think you have to consider your options of getting a Fitbit Sense 2 because it supports no music app. We will talk more about some missing apps soon. Stay tuned. Connectivity and water resistance features. Although the device has no support for Wi-Fi connectivity, there is an improvement with its Bluetooth. It comes with 5.0 Bluetooth that has a 30 feet sync range, an update from the original Sense's 9 feet sync range. The Fitbit Sense 2 also has a water resistance feature. You can wear the smartwatch, take a shower, or even swim down to a height of 164 feet beneath the water surface and still not worry about the device malfunctioning. It can also perform between 14 and 113 degrees Fahrenheit. The Fitbit Sense 2 also comes with incredible battery power, but before we talk about that, please take a couple of seconds to subscribe to our channel. Our growth depends very much on your contribution. Let's continue. Battery and stress management. Fitbit Sense 2 is built with a strong battery lasting over 6 days with a single battery charge. However, features like Always On can increase battery drainage when activated. It takes about 12 minutes to get the device charged. It also supports a continuous electrodermal activity tracking feature, CEDA, which proactively alerts body response notifications to keep you in check with how you feel. It depends on users' heart rate variability, and skin temperature to track data about their body reactions. It prompts you to keep in touch with your emotions through the use of a stress management system that identifies patterns of stress with all-day body response tracking and smart notifications to remind you to reflect on your emotions, according to Fitbit. Health and fitness tracking. Arguably, these are the best features of the Fitbit Sense 2 device. It has several fitness exercises, including hiking, swimming, aerobics, canoeing, etc. that you can track. However, you can't set specific targets for these exercises that should be tracked. If you are the jogging type, you don't have to stress yourself about carrying your phone when you go for a run. The device has an inbuilt GPS system that can track your workouts. One of the best Fitbit Sense hands-on features is its ability to track your breathing rate while you sleep. It can also track your oxygen saturation, heart rate, and several others. However, you'll need to be on the premium account to fully access some health benefits, such as Fitbit's daily readiness score. Cons. Of course, the device has several benefits, but also some downsides. This is the issue with third-party apps. Fitbit Sense 2 does not support third-party apps, including Strava, Uber, or Deezer. You will need a music playing device to listen to your favorite music when going on a run, because the Fitbit Sense 2 does not support Spotify or any other music streaming app. You can't also make calls on this device. As already mentioned, the Fitbit Sense 2 does not support Wi-Fi connectivity. Users have to pay about $10 a month to access some features fully. In general, what do you think about the performance of the Fitbit Sense 2? How do you think it can be improved? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments section. If you think the health feature of the Fitbit Sense 2 is not accurate enough to track your heart rate, then watch our video on the Oura Ring 3 in-depth review. Easily track your heart rate, and it is equally educational. See you in the following video.